Mr. Speaker, today I had the honour to join our Minister of Health and Canadian Police Chiefs to proclaim National Prescription Drug Drop-Off Day, to be held the first time formally this Saturday, May 11th. Prescription drugs are designed to help, not to harm. But despite these good intentions, the sad reality is that too many Canadians suffer from misuse of prescription drugs. The creation of National Drug Drop-Off Day does not cost taxpayers money, but instead takes advantage of an array of committed people who can work together to resolve a growing problem. I thank the Ministers of Health and Public Safety for their support, bringing to life an idea that was endorsed by constituents of mine over a year ago in West Vancouver. Today's announcement is about people working together, including a government that listens and mobilizes its citizens. It's about doctors and pharmacists who help their patients use prescription drugs wisely. It's about educators and parents who work together for the safety of our youth. It's about householders working with police chiefs for safe communities. I encourage all Canadians on May 11th to go into our medicine cabinets and take our unused drugs to the local pharmacy. As our Minister of Health said today, everyone must do our part.